for Brazil. Closed down by Rodriguez, but away from him now. Who's next?
Marcelo, on to Neymar. What can he do here, Neymar? Neymar! That's exactly what he can do! Score again. This is Neymar. Stopped it! Hit it! It's done for Brazil!
As long as they don't suffer a heavy defeat here, he's not on the cards. They're not going to suffer with skill.
Either team to find a winner. Neymar.
Full of goals. We'll all be hoping he does the same. Here's Neymar. Neymar. Happy with the tackle. Gustavo breaking things up, looking for Neymar!